Hey, good morning and good afternoon, Amazon shoppers. Well, today we have, this is a list of items that we currently just sold in the last hour, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about them. Okay, so now we have the Hue Women's Ankle Skimmer. We sold that to Diane, and they come in small, medium, large, extra large, and all different colors with a cute little zipper on the bottom, no pockets. Okay, next we're going to be going, whoops, they have the light pink and white. And again, I'm going to try and do this really quickly because there's so many more orders coming in. So here we go. We have the Hatch packable clutch hat. It comes in black and white, both sold, and we currently have left are the black. And it's really nice packable hat for the beach or just walking outside doing even little gardening. So that's what we had just go out in the last hour. And we also have brushed seamless leggings by Hue flying out the door. They come in navy, white, black, gray, all different colors, all different sizes. These all have a plush lining, cozy brush for when it's a little just cold out or even in the office. So you go and get them. Okay, 9 West hat here with the cute little flower rosette on the side. Totally packable. Wide brim from 9 West. All right, that's right. Perfect for the beach, going out, walking around, even great for the golf course. Next up, we have the Michael Kors little accessory pocketbook, a little accessory for your pocketbook. It's made out of straw, and it's perfect accent for your Michael Kors bag. Okay, perfect for the summer. Little pineapple there that we just sold out of. And they come in orange and yellow. Okay, we have the capri leggings, cotton, and these are cool temp. These are perfect for summer, perfect length, perfect for jogging, going outside, also in different colors. We have the khaki shown here, which Marianne bought like 3 pairs because she loves them so much. They come in small, medium, and large, all different colors. And there is the Hue size chart for you to get your perfect size. And they come in pink, orange, regular green, navy, like an apricot, a khaki, and a pink, neon pink as well. Perfect for the summer, going out to dinner. It has 2 pockets in the back. And enjoy your Hue legging. Wonder what's going to be going on next. We have, we just sold a pink pair just now. And that's like a pink, Tassa elbow linen shirts, a very popular choice. We have Anna who bought one in turquoise, which we're currently sold out in, and a short sleeve. And that is coming up next. Anna, thank you so much for your support, and enjoy your Tassa elbow. Perfect for Father's Day, she said. So you enjoy that. That's also for her beach hubby. So they have a beautiful house down the shore. So you enjoy that, Anna. And Maureen bought these boot socks because as soon as we get them in, they fly off the shelves. These are 2-pack. They come in oatmeal and in black, khaki. So you enjoy your boot socks from Gold Toe. All right. That concludes our orders for the last hour. And there goes the DKY belt, all box leather, designed by DKY, and beautiful logo grommets. Okay, here's the Betsy Johnson hat. So you enjoy your summer, ladies, and happy shopping! welcome shoppers, and today I am in the kids department and the little girls section because we had to split this video in two today because we have so much in stock that just arrived in our spring and summer arrivals here at Save-On. So we have Ideology little girls power graphic t-shirts, and they come in all sorts of sizes and colors. So small, medium, and large we have right now in stock. And this play to win, sporty hair don't care. I love that. That's so cute. And I believe this is just in different sizes. Okay, so that's number one. That's little girls department in Ideology. And now we have the Imperial Girls shorts. These have beautiful eyelet little shorts for little girls. They come in different colors and mint. That was natural. This is it's like a nice off-white. There's green. This fuchsia color, white, and in black. All with the beautiful eyelet. And then they're all in cotton. I can't talk today. A drawstring closure, and they go from size 7 to size 16. All cotton shorty shorts with no pockets. These do not have any pockets in them. All right, so that is the Imperial shorts by Imperial Stars. Okay, we have the booties. Really beautiful. Comes with a long, little necklace here. And these are little tank tops, and they come in like a pink and a blue. Perfect little gauzy type tank tops, small, medium, and large. They come in. And here is the blue. This is the blue. And it has a cute little owl necklace that comes with that little tank top. And the same thing. This is actually extra large. We have in stock. That's all that's left already. 4 of them already sold. So let's see. We have in mauve left, small, medium, and large. All right. Now we're going to kids headquarters. This is for 24-month little toddler, little girl. So this is the newest little girl's toddler in 24 months. It's 2 separate. It has the shorts, and it has the little tank top there with the cute little bow in the back, and cotton and polyester. So, and now we have the Candy Kiss. This is a top. It has the beautiful cut holes in it, and it's a beautiful little top there, and it flares on the sides, and it has the graphic piece on there. That is in blue. And now we have the Candy Kiss pink little pocket shirt. Really cute little light shirt for the summer. It's fun. All over floral print. It has the really little peeling plum trim on it. Really cute little shirt, and that comes in also blue. Okay? It's from Candy Kiss. Sizes 7 through 16, little girls. And then we have Epic Threads. This is cute little striped shirt. They come in sizes 2T to 6X, little girls. And this is really cute. It's featured in our on our online sales. Okay, so that's the little girls department. And then that's Epic Threads. Now we have the Ideology Capri little workout pants, and these are actually really cute. They have little workout pants for your little toddler or your little girl likes to go outside, needs some nice leggings, and these are for free. And these come in 4 and 5. That's what we have left, but they are actually coming in 4 to 6X. Next we have the Epic Threads baby doll little tanky shirt. It's a really pretty blouse, and this is an extra large. And then we have the Ideology graphic heather gray t-shirt, and it says follow your heart. Nice graphic on the t-shirt, and it has that cut code in the back. Okay, and these come in medium, large, and extra large. We sold out already in size small. Okay, and then we have the Epic Threads Skinny Fit Cut-Off Shorts. Now these come in white we have left. They had blue. We're sold out of the blue. And these Carl, these are really, really bright, pretty shorts for the summer. They're like cut-off shorts. And these are from 7 to 16. And here's all our sizes we have available, and also an ivory. This nice graphic print. Right. And we have an Epic Threads sequin tank top. And this is nice and sequins and little crisscross tank in the back. And it's really a cute little top. Right? And then they come in gray and then inside. And this one's in small, and then we have so in size 16, which is large. Okay. We have the camel soles in all different colors, and they come in small, medium, large, and extra large. The little girls, adjustable in the back, strap in the back. Okay. And Epic Threads. This is like a little short dress. You wear some short leggings in it. And then this is a cute little top. It's like a little long dress top. And it's Epic Threads. This is the paisley print sleeveless. And this is size large 14. We do have other sizes coming in. And this is the black, color in black. Very similar, really pretty. It's made out of rayon. And it's really light and flowy. It's got a ruffle on the bottom if you can see the hem. And that is our like 5-minute update for new arrivals this spring and summer. I hope you liked the video, and make sure you follow us. We're going to be coming up with the boys very soon, and I will see you soon. And thanks for stopping by and checking us out. And as always, happy shopping! Bye, friends!